Hi friends, I'm Dev Damik from Amnet School, Dubai, grade 3B. I'm going to show you my HSC checklist. So, first we need a plain paper like this. Then we have to fold it into like this. One side should be big, one side should be small. You have to make lines like this and one line here. So I choose cleaning, so I will write here living room, here dining room, and here my study table. Now we need to cut through these lines. Now I have cut this one side. These are my tasks. So if I complete them, I will put the tick mark up like this. If I complete all the tasks, I will be a happy day and I will put the last one, the smiley face. You can also try it at your home. Bye bye.